Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can strike the lottery using your date of birth. So for example, you are born in 1990, okay, and then on 1st of January. So you take 1990 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so you 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 9 equals to 10 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so after that you take 19 plus 1 plus 1. So after that is 20 plus 1, and then you get 21. So once you get 21, you 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 is a single digit. Okay, so you using this number, you need to buy the lottery ticket on the 3rd of the month. For example, March 3rd of March, and then you buy 3 tickets. Okay, so this is one of the uncommon unknown method people using date of birth to strike lottery. Okay, if you have benefited from this video, you have tried this method and strike lottery, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching and listening.